Here's how to make a delicious pumpkin pie with Odlums. This is basically taking the base of a cheesecake and then adding our pumpkin filling to it and finishing then with a nice meringue topping. So they're really simple to put together. There is quite a few steps, but don't be put off by that. And it's a great way to use up your pumpkin from this Halloween. So firstly, we're going to start with the biscuit base. So we have 400 grams of digestive biscuits, which we've just crushed up. And to that, we're going to add 200 grams of melted butter in. So we're just going to go into our lined tin with parchment paper. And then we're going to flatten this out and build it up all around the sides. So into a bowl, we're going to go with 425 grams of pumpkin puree. And this is just basically, we take a fresh pumpkin, peel it, de-seed it, and then into some water to boil until it softens, and then just blend it. Next, we have 100 grams of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of the Odlums cream plain super flour, and half a tin of condensed milk, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of the good old cinnamon powder. Now, so we're just giving that a good whisk together. Pour that mixture into your lined tin, and we're going to bake this at 160 for an hour. For the meringue, we've got 4 egg whites, 200 grams of caster sugar in, and half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. On top of a pot of simmering water, beat this and becomes nice and aerated. Now, so once the sugar is dissolved, take this off the bain-marie. So we're going to keep going until it thickens nicely. So once your meringue holds a nice stiff peak like that, cover that with cling film, leave it in the freezer until we're ready to top our pumpkin pie. Allow the pie to cool before topping it with that meringue and giving it a quick blowtorch. And there you have it, a delicious pumpkin pie for this Halloween with Odlums.